Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Stock Simplified. I'm Shreya, your AI guide, here to help you take your first steps into the world of the stock market. If you've ever wondered what the stock market is or how it works, then you're in the right place. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple and easy to understand, so let's get started. All right, let's begin with the basics. What is the stock market? Imagine the stock market as a giant marketplace where people buy and sell pieces of companies. These pieces are called shares. By owning shares, you own a small part of that company. So when you buy shares in a company like Tata Motors or Infosys, you're essentially becoming a part owner. It's like owning a tiny slice of a very big pie. Now, how does the stock market actually work? Well, think of it as an auction house. There are buyers and sellers, and the price of a stock changes based on how much people want to buy or sell it. When more people are interested in buying a stock, the price goes up. When more people want to sell, the price goes down. Pretty simple, right? In India, most of this buying and selling happens on two major stock exchanges: the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, or NSE. These are the platforms where most of the trading takes place. So why do companies sell shares in the first place? Great question. Companies need money to grow and expand. To raise this money, they can either take loans or sell a part of the company to the public. That's where shares come in. When a company sells shares, it's giving the public an opportunity to invest in its success. The first time a company does this is called an IPO, or initial public offering. In exchange for investing, shareholders can earn money if the company does well, and that's where the stock market becomes a powerful tool for wealth creation. Before we finish, let's go over a few important stock market terms you'll hear often. Shares. These are the units of ownership in a company. Stock exchange. This is the platform where shares are bought and sold, like BSE and NSE. Bull market. This refers to when the stock market is going up and people are optimistic. Bear market. This is when the market is going down and investors are more cautious. Now, why should you care about all this? Well, the stock market is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. By investing in stocks, you're giving your money the chance to grow faster than if it were sitting in a bank account. However, it's important to remember that investing comes with risks too. But don't worry, in future episodes, we'll guide you through strategies to invest smartly and avoid common mistakes. Together, we'll take the mystery out of the stock market. And that's it for today's episode. We've covered the basics of what the stock market is, how it works, and why it matters to you. In our next episode, we'll dive into how you can actually buy and sell shares. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it with friends who are curious about investing. Have a question about the stock market? Send it our way, and we'll answer it in an upcoming episode. Thanks for listening, and until next time, happy investing.